Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to enable light notifications for all groups on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to customize your notification experience by assigning a specific light color for group messages. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your Android device. Once that's done, follow these simple steps. 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. This is your starting point for customizing group notifications too. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. The Settings page is where you can manage all your WhatsApp preferences. 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll find all notification-related options for both individual chats and groups. 5. Scroll down to the section labeled Groups and tap on Light. This is where you can assign a specific light color for group notifications. 6. A list of color options will appear on your screen. Choose your preferred color by tapping on it. For example, you can select white, red, yellow, green, blue, or even purple. 7. Once you've chosen a color, tap OK to save your selection. Your light notification settings are now updated, and that's it. From now on, whenever you receive a group message on WhatsApp, your phone's notification light will display the color you selected. This feature is especially useful if you want to differentiate between group and individual chat notifications quickly. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to explore more customization options in WhatsApp to enhance your user experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.